case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled in 2003 case that multiple defendants, including airlines, airport security companies, airport operators, airplane manufacturers, and the operators and owners of the World Trade Center, had a responsibility to take reasonable care in screening passengers and providing safe evacuation routes. The case revolved around allegations of negligence and failure to provide adequate evacuation routes and plans, with the plaintiffs arguing that the defendants should be held responsible for injuries suffered by ground victims as a result of the 9/11 terrorist attacks. The defendants argued they were not responsible for the plaintiffs' injuries and that the terrorists' actions broke the chain of causation. However, the court held that the aviation defendants did have a duty to protect society from harm, including those on the ground, and that it was reasonable for them and society to expect the defendants' screening at airports to do so. Emotional injury claims were allowed only for those who also suffered physical injury, and the defendants' liability was limited by federal statute to the limits of their insurance coverage. The court determined that the WTC defendants had a duty to ensure the safety of occupants by conforming to building and fire safety codes, creating appropriate evacuation routes and procedures, and maintaining the structures. Boeing was found to have a duty to design a secure cockpit. The decision allowed the injured to seek compensation, either through a specialized fund or by filing a lawsuit, but compensation amounts were limited and could be less than what they could recover through a lawsuit. The court held that plaintiffs' claims could proceed to the discovery stages against Aviation Defendants, WTC Defendants, Boeing, and Port Authority. Emotional injury claims were limited, and defendants' liability was limited to their insurance coverage. WTC defendants were liable after showing fault, and Boeing had a duty to design a secure cockpit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.